Hello guys, welcome to Q Tutorials. Let's go straight down to upgrade our Windows 10 to Windows 11. Sometimes I understand that our CPU might not be supported, or we might not have our TPM on our system. This tutorial will show you a successful way to install Windows 11 on your PC successfully. Let's go. First, we go to just follow the step below. First, we go to download Windows 11. We use the official language so we might understand what is written. The network is bad. Here we go. To upgrade your Windows 11, you must download Windows 11 disk image ISO. You have to select multiple edition, download, then begin with complying to the language. In any language you wish to use, confirm, and there 64-bit. Okay. As Windows 11 begin downloading, we do one thing. Go to search, just type registry editor. Here we go. You must confirm yes. So this is the key that I will recommend you to copy. Let's say I don't have the key here, then I have to go to the place where I kept it, where you might also have it. Okay. So this is the key you will need to copy. Though you have to type everything on your computer just the same way you are seeing it here. So paste it here to find the default. Yeah, this is the default. It's already there before I even paste it. Now I already have this default. Since you will not have it in your system because it's not supported, we'll do one thing. You right click, create new, and then the word 32 bits value. Then I will give you a code which you should paste here. Okay. In this place you will have to paste this code here. Rename. See, allow upgrade with unsupported TPM or CPU. So press OK, and then modify. Right click again, modify. Then value, you have to input 1. Then OK. So when you are done, exit all, and then wait for your Windows 11 to finish download. After downloading, you should begin your installation, and you will be successful. If any error may occur, during the installation, please leave a comment in the video below. We will solve it. Thank you guys.